Okay, if you find it difficult, time-consuming and boring applying for the jobs, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to make this process automatically and accelerate this process using the websites and tools like N8N and AI tools like ChatGPT and other models to accelerate this project. So it will be like when you are drinking your coffee in the morning or your pina colada in the cafe. This process will automatically provide lots of information for you, not just for your job application, etc., from whatever you want to extract from the internet and do some practical work with it. It will be professionally provided for you and you can do whatever you want. That's it. Let's take a quick look at the process step by step, and I will go through and dive into the project. I will show you how to create all of the steps and how to make it feasible for yourself and your practical work. So the first stage is to defining a time, like a schedule trigger. So when you want to do a practical work like extracting lots of information from the internet, it will be based on a time period of time. Okay, so you can define, for example, 8 in the morning or 9 in the morning or at the midnight when you are sleeping. It will automatically extract lots of information for you and it's ready for the next step. Mine is like that. Here is lots of job applications with its description. Here is my tailored CV. Here is the city of the job advertised in the website like LinkedIn. This is the date posted. Here is the URL. Here is the company name. Here is the company URL and type of the work and the sector that is activating the company. Perfect. So the first step is to open the N8N website, and when you open its website for the first time, I'm so sorry. When you open this website for the first time, you will see welcome page for the N8N. Just make sure that you don't go for the sponsored ones, and you will see something like this. Okay, so you can easily press the get started button here and go through the dashboard, etc. Here is because I signed in before, but when you select this button for the first time, you will see a form which you have to put all of the information of yourself, like your name, email address, your telephone number, etc., to sign up in the website. It's really easy, not complicated. If you have trouble finding it or anything else, just comment below or direct me in the Instagram. I will sort it out for you. So after making your account, it will be something like this. You will see this workflow. Okay, so you have lots of options in the left and lots of options in the right and some options here. They are really easy and user-friendly. This website is really user-friendly, and that's why I selected this website. It's brilliant, I think, not just for job scrapping, but for the companies that want to do a loop circle, like loop repetitive actions. And this website really helps you to run the actions one by one, step by step. You can customize it yourself, and it's brilliant. Just you need to be creative to create some workflows based on your business and company and make benefit of it. So the first stage is to create some workflows. Okay, so here if you press the plus button, you can find the workflow and you can find a personal item here to create in. So here is the workflow page, and I want to rename it to automated CV creator, for example, and I put the test. Okay, so the first step, as I said, is to define a schedule trigger. So you can press this button or this button, doesn't matter, and write a schedule trigger. So this trigger has some options. You have to customize it, like if you want to do it day by day, hours, minutes, seconds, weeks, months, or a custom time schedule, you can make it. For me, it's okay to do that day by day, and also you can set your trigger at hour at the midnight or early in the morning while you are in the gym. Fire alarm. That's it. Sorry, it's a UK. I have to cope with this sound early in the morning. Just imagine if I was sleeping. So yeah, and you can also define the time like I said before, you can be in the gym running in the morning and it will be automatically done for you. And that's it. For me, it's okay to do that 8 a.m. in the morning while I'm drinking my coffee, and that's it. You don't need to put anything else here, and easily press the button here and your schedule trigger done for you. Really easy and complicated, and really easy, and it's not complicated in fact. And if you want to write a code, you have to spend lots of time, but today is the AI era, and you can do something really quickly, and that's it. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go through the next step. Great. Before starting the next stage, I have to explain a website called Appify and its function. So Appify helps you to run some actors and do some actions. Okay, so for example, if you want to extract kind of information like job posting, job advertisements, or applications, or your client's telephone number, or your potential clients in the internet, you can use the Appify website. Appify is the third-party website which you can easily find lots of information like the job advertisement. What it can do is to run an actor like Job Scrapper actor from LinkedIn or Indeed, and after that it could provide a list for you, as I said before, and put it into a database like Excel file or Word file table, something like that, and after that you can easily manage it. Okay, so let's dive into the Appify website. So when you open the Appify for the first time, you will see something like this, and you can press the try it for free, and you can see all the actors. Okay, for example, here is Google Maps Scrapper for extracting lots of locations, for example, or whatever you want. For example, you can type Instagram. Here is the Instagram Scrapper, Instagram profile Scrapper if you are busybody, Instagram comment Scrapper. It's just for fun, sorry about that. But yeah, you can make lots of things for the Instagram. But what I need is, excuse me, LinkedIn Job Scrapper items, which you can select the best one based on the reviews. You can see 18k people rated this for 4.4, and it's good, not bad. You can use this LinkedIn Job Scrapper for your workflow, or you can go through it in detail and see and read the reviews, everything, and after that you can select your Job Scrapper actor. So this one is good, I think, because it's 9.8k people. Yeah, let's go through it. Just easily click it, and that's it. And if you put the try it for free, it will go through your account. Okay, so my account is the free trial account. It has $5 in it for free, and you don't need to pay for it. I used $1, about $1, because when you run an actor like a LinkedIn Jobs Scrapper PPR actor, it will automatically decrease. Okay, so I used $1 and don't worry about that. If it's your first time, you don't need to pay for it. If you are job seeker, absolutely you don't need to invest lots of money on these websites, but you can easily use the free trial websites and do this like a loop. I don't offer it, but yeah, this is the way you can accelerate and do your process. So that's it. Let's dive into the project. So LinkedIn Job Scrapper is an actor to scrap all of the jobs from the LinkedIn. Okay, so it needs one input. Okay, and here is the options. So what it needs as an input is just a link. Okay, so if you go through the LinkedIn website and search for example, exhibition designer, here you can find lots of information. You can set your date posted, for example, past month, past week, past 24 hours. I offer to use the past week one and show the result. Yeah, 95 results in the UK. You can set your location as well. If you are living in the US, you can change it to the US. If you are living in like Turkey, you can change it to the Turkey, and that's it. It's really easy. And you can also tick your companies as well. You can customize it whatever you want, and it's really easy. So just imagine if you want to go through one by one, It's really time consuming, but now it's really easy for you. So what you will do is to copy and paste this link, go through the Apify website, and you can, I will remove that, but don't worry, that's fine. Yeah, okay. I will copy and paste it, and you can add lots of things, like for example the other application like 3D designer, the other application like interior designer, motion designer, graphic designer, etc. And yeah, that's it. Here is the number of jobs that you need. So I usually apply for 10 jobs a day, because I will go through each of them deeply, and according to the fact that this process is really fast, but when it comes to the output, you need to customize it again on your own, because the LLMs like ChatGPT write your CVs, and maybe ATS rejects your CV, so you can customize it a little bit minimally, but yeah, you can go through that without changes, but this is the way that I use my CV. So I put it 10 jobs. This should be 100. Okay, so this scrapper automatically apply 100 jobs for you, and it's the lowest number that you can put in this tab. Okay, don't worry. So what will you do is to save it, and if you press the start button, it will be running. Okay, so yeah, you have to wait till all of the 100 jobs will be extracted, and as you can see, here is $0.004 that has been decreased, and it will be increased. Okay, and here is the usage that will be added to my account. So yeah, the output will be a list. Okay, so I will show you all of the items that has been extracted from the website. You can easily use it like the traditional way before, and it's enough for you, I think. Yeah, and you don't need to create something in N8N like now. But if you want to make this process automatic, you can put this information from Apify to the ChatGPT and define that please customize my CV, and it will do that for you. It will also can write your cover letter, and it will also can customize your portfolio if you are an architect or a designer in the designer industry. It will be really good for you. So yeah, it's been done right now, and you can see the output 101 jobs here. Here is the apply URL, and if you're zooming out a little bit, you can see that it's how can I go? Yeah, that's it. Company description. Here is the company description, company employees count, company LinkedIn URL, so you can easily go through the company URL one by one. Here is a BOH company, business of homes. BO is daily media of record for the home industry and the voice of authority for interior design of professionals. It's in New York, but I have searched for the UK. Don't worry, it's kind of like a box that sometimes happens. You can easily manage it with the location column. Let me check the location column first. Yeah, it's Jersey City, NJ, it's the US, Finland, San Francisco, New York. Okay, don't worry about that. You can easily customize it. Or if you find it difficult to find a good output for you, you can easily change your Java scrapper from this scrapper to the other one, but you can customize it as well. I don't know why it has happened. I put it the United Kingdom. Okay, don't worry. So you can easily change your LinkedIn Java scrapper with the other actor, like here. I used this one the other time. As you can see, it's my history. Okay, like a 3D design. Yeah, it's manual. It's a 3D designer. It's United Kingdom. Total raw, you can say, for example, 50 is enough. And yeah, like before, you can write exhibition. Excuse me. Oops. Exhibition designer and save it. Okay, and you can rent an actor. Just to rent this actor, you have to first subscribe to a paid Apify plan. Okay, so for some actors like that, you need to pay for it. It's my free trial account, and I need to pay for it. So let me sort it out, and I will come back to you. Okay, so it's a new account and I will write exhibition designer, location United Kingdom. And you can also add lots of company names, but I don't need it because I want to see various items, various company names, and apply for various ones. You don't need company ID as well, so I will remove that, and 50 is enough for me. You can also put and customize it for on-site or remote jobs. You can choose remote jobs or hybrid jobs. For example, if you want to work from home plus work at the office, you can choose the hybrid one. If you're completely working from your home country, home country, or wherever you live, you can put it remote or on-site if you're in the UK or in the US maybe. And here is a job type: full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, internship, volunteer, and experience level. You can write that I'm professional, associate, for example. I have more than 10 years of experience, or I'm an intern. I want to start working in the industry and it's my first day, so I'm an intern and I have to select the courses like the internship, entry level like a junior level ones, or mid senior level, and it's really easy. So after writing all of the items, you can save it and you can start do that. It will say that you have to actor after tutorial. Please subscribe to. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, fine. The actor is getting your data. It usually takes around 1 minute to start seeing the results. Yeah, it's trying to extract the information from the LinkedIn and put it in a list. Make a list, really easy. And this step is completely fine because as you can see, here is lots of the jobs. Here is the location, posted time, published at the date, job URL, company name, company URL, company description, application count, salary 28k to 55k per year, and that's it. Okay, let's go through one of them. For example, the company URL in London. Yeah, I will copy and paste it. This is the magic. So you can see the company that I've been following it. It's a coincidence, but yeah, I've been following it. You can see its posts, its people working there, and the jobs, the other jobs that you can apply for it, and that's it. The about company, you can read about its mission, vision, etc. You can go through its website if it's been registered or if it's been put here in the here in the LinkedIn, and yeah, that's it. So now you can export it as well in the Excel file. So if I download it, here is my database. Really easy. And if you go through one of them one by one through the traditional way, you can copy and paste it into your browser and apply for each of them. Okay, but I want to show you how to customize your CV right now based on this information. Great, now you have your database and it's time to connect the Apify website to your N8N workflow. So before connecting it, you need to search Apify here and press the button run an actor here. Before doing everything, don't panic guys, but before doing everything, you need to connect your Apify account, which is here, to your N8N workflow. So if you put create new credential and press this button, you can easily connect your account with the Apify website. A new browser, a new window will be open for you and it will be automatically connect to your Apify account. It's really easy, but if you have any problem, please direct me or comment below. I will sort it out for you. And that's it. When you connect the Apify account with the N8N, it's time to do the customization setting here. So the input is the JSON prompt. So let me tell you what's the JSON prompt. This is the manual items that we typed here, and all of the items has its own JSON prompt, which is something like this. Okay, don't panic, it's really easy, but you need to cope with it. You only need to copy this, okay, and after that you can paste it here. But before pasting, make sure that you delete this items, and that's it. When you copy and paste the JSON prompt, you need to choose the the Java scrapper here. You can choose it from the list, or you can choose it from by the URL. But the easiest way is to link the Java scrapper item here, which is from the list, and easy to do. Just before accessing the LinkedIn Java scrapper, make sure that you have saved the Java scrapper, so it makes way to do that, like here. Okay, I've already saved that, so I can easily connect the LinkedIn Java scrapper here. If you haven't saved it, it won't be shown to you, so make sure that it will be it has been saved. Okay, and that's it. We are ready to go. Okay, here is the execute workflow button. So if you press it, it will be executed. You need to wait a couple of minutes. Okay, the only way that you want to make sure that it's working is to check here. So if you change it to the recent and bookmark section in the Appify, you will see that it's running, and that's it. Workflow has been successfully done. Okay, great. The item has been done, and now I want to show you the result. Okay, so if you double click here, you will see something like this. Here is the output of the actor called Appify, and you can't see any kind of jobs like exhibition design, 3D designer, etc. So the next step is to convert this ugly prompt to the result, to the real result. So the next step is to search Appify and find the get dataset item. So what this one usually do for you, it will convert that ugly prompt to the good result for us. It means that the ID, the act, thing, user, blah blah blah. I don't know what is the items. What are the items here? This one helps us to convert this to the good result, like exhibition design. Where is the location? Where is the application URL? Where is what is the salary? How much is the salary? And what is the description, etc. Okay, so what you need to do is to convert the default ID to the result one. So if you easily search the default dataset ID and drag and drop it here, okay, it will be done for you. That's it. And now it's time to test it to make sure that it works properly. But before that, let me pin these items. I will let you know why I'm pinning this. So pin helps you to make the results stable, so it doesn't need to do that again. It will be proper, it will be go through the item here. So if I execute the workflow right now and it's not the pin item, it will start from the scratch here. But if I pin it, it will be start from the third step. Okay, and that's it. So execute the step. Yeah, here we go. Here is the title: exhibition technical designer and visualizer, job URL, company name, company URL, location, posted time, application counts, 39 people. It's not real, but maybe 39 people, or less than 39, or more than 39 people have applied for this job, and here is the contract type, etc. Okay, so now we are about to done. We've got about 50 items, or exactly 49 items, that we can convert it to the practical process. Like now it's time to customize the CV based on these 49 items, and then we can apply for the jobs. Great. Now to come to the Dear ChatGPT, which is our best friends these days. And now I want to show you how to message a model here. Okay, so let me delete this and start from the scratch. But before that, let me pin this first. And then I want to put a limit. It's a temporary item. Don't worry about that. You don't need to do that. I want to limit this because I don't want to generate 49 items. I want to generate just one item. Okay, and that's it. You don't need to put the limiter on it. So you just need to search OpenAI here, connect the ChatGPT with your workflow, and what you need to do is to, again, you need to connect your OpenAI account, which is here, to your N8N workflow. So what you will need to do is to press the create new credential here, And after that, you need to go to the site called platform, excuse me, platform.openai.com here. And when you open this site, you will see something like this. Okay, it's all the information related to your OpenAI account. So if you press the setting button here, you will see the API keys here. And here is the API keys that I've recently created with the security keys, etc. So here is the new one. I renamed it as a test and default project and create the secret key. And here is the ID that I need to copy and paste in the Appify like before. So yeah, the only thing that you need is to delete it, paste it, and that's it. Saved. And your connection tested successfully. That's it. You can easily right now message a model and get lots of results. Great. Okay, so first of all, you need to choose your ChatGPT model, your GPT model. So I usually use GPT-5 mini because it's cheaper than the other items and it's really fast. So when you select it, then you need to define your messages. So basically you need two separated message as a two different roles. So I will add another one. So for the first one, you just need to select this as a user, and let me open my Word file that I've provided for you. The only thing that you need is to copy and paste from this Word file. So if you need this Word file, just comment below. I will send its link and you can easily download this prompt, and then you can easily copy and paste it, and you don't need to write your own words or visit the video and copy from the video. So it's really easy to copy and paste. So the first one is to define the role as a system. I told you the user, but it's not the user, it's the system. And the type is the text, and the prompt, which you can copy and paste here, is that you are an intelligent bot tailoring my CV and deep searching about the company called blah blah blah, about its mission and vision and their client project values. Don't forget about the gulabi here. Gulabi is a fruit in my home country, so I put it here as an example. It's the same as the blah blah blah. So I will copy this and paste it here, and the first message is done. Okay. And for the second one, you just need to put the role as a user, and then you need to write this prompt. So firstly, do a deep research about the company, its mission, vision, and their projects. Secondly, start tailoring my CV according to the job description, matching professional summary, experiences and skills according to the job description, and use suitable keywords. As I'm sure that you all know that one of the items which is really important in the CV is professional summary, which is here, like a creative and detail-oriented 3D designer with experience in delivering blah blah blah. Okay, so I want to add an award winning as well to make sure that it put in the all descriptions, because it's really important and absorb lots of attention for the decision makers. And here is my information, like my number, etc., my portfolio, my my role, etc. And here is the key skills. Here is my relevant experiences, like my projects where I worked before, and bullet points explaining all of the items. Other experiences, education, awards and certificates here, and achievements, and the interest, like photography, content creation, YouTube, and Instagram, basketball player, Lincoln College, meditation, etc. Okay, so it's really easy, but you need to customize it on your own with your own words and your own CV. So let me copy this completely. Yeah, that's it. Paste, and just make sure that everything is right. Okay. Well, perfect. Everything is okay, and now it's time to replace the golabis or blah 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 item here with the real names. Okay, so all you need to do is to remove this and put the backspace here and find the company name. Okay, so I need the company name, which I can easily find it in the database. Okay, so I will open it, and here is the company name. I will put it, how can I make it? Okay, because it's a text, so I have to go to the expression item here. Yeah, and easily put the company name here because I couldn't put it in the fixed item. You just need to change it to the coding style version. It's really easy, please don't panic. And yeah, that's it. So it's all the company name. So basically what it will do is to put 49 different company names and then do the deep researching or deep searching about the 49 different companies, and that's it. Okay, so for the next item, the Gulabi is here, or blah blah blah. Here is my job description, so I need the job description, which is here. Perfect. I can easily put it like here, but I couldn't see that. Don't worry. The job description is here, Gulabi is here. Okay, we can easily replace it. Okay, to be fully organized. So first I do a research about the company, its mission and their project. I told this in the first prompt, but don't worry, it's fine. No deep research. Secondly, okay, here's my description. I just want to make sure that everything is okay. Thirdly, write a short professional email to apply for the role based on what you've done and the customized CV. So if you're very organized, you can find its CV at its Gmail address as well and put it here to write the correct email address, like dear blah blah blah, dear Mr. Johnson, for example. Hello, like that. I'm interested in your job. I'm interested in your company and mission, vision, etc. And I want to apply for this kind of position, and that's it. But now I want to put it here like this, very basic, because at the end I want to customize my email and then send it to the customer, to the client, excuse me. And now we are all done and all set, I think. Yeah, that's fine. So what I want to do is to execute this step, but before that let me pin this. Okay, don't need to pin this. I can, yeah, that's fine. I can execute the model. It's done. And now execute all the workflow here. So it usually takes a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes to make sure everything is in the correct item. It's now writing my CV, rewriting my CV. It's deep searching about the company and its culture and its vision and mission and the description, all of the items that I've already defined for the workflow. So if you need to download this version, just comment Gulabi below. I will send an email to you, send a link to you, and then you can easily download it. Okay, it's done. The process is done, and now it's time to get the data that ChatGPT has provided for us to a beautiful table like Excel or Google Sheet. What I'm going to do is to type the Google Sheet. Yep, and get the raw in sheet up and up. Yeah, because it needs to be updated day by day. So I will choose this website, this node, and here we go. Okay, fine. So before putting the Google Sheet account, etc., here you need to define a Google Sheet, a spreadsheet before doing that. So what you will do is to simply search for the Google Sheet, sign in, and it will be shown for you. So here is the templates that you can use. If you are lazy like me, you can use this template, and I think it's fine for this kind of thing. So you can easily write title, job title. Based on what you want, you can complete the table. Like here is the location, here is the description. I don't know, here is maybe salary, maybe, oh, okay, application URL. Whatever you want, like the, I don't know, maybe the HR name, if it's existing in your application. And yeah, here we go. So here is the job title, city, CV. It's my in fact it's a tailored version CV. Here is the job description, here is the date posted, apply URL, company URL, work type, sector, and its status. For example, this one is the same with the next one. these are the same, so I delete one of them. And it's been applied. It may be for the long time ago, 6 days ago, for example. And yeah, here we go. So it's your database ready to apply. So now you have your Google Sheet, and all the thing that you need is to put the Google Sheet in your workflow here. Okay, so easily you can choose the document here, like the job list. And when you select this, you just need to put the sheet as well. So sheet is here, don't panic. Sheet 1. Yeah, and here we go. Here is the raw that I did before, like job title, city, tailor, CV description. So if I add another raw or another column, it will be automatically updated for me. Here is the status. I will check the status as well, and here we go. So the job title, you will find it in the message model. Okay, or you can search it here, job title. Cool. Job URL, company URL, description, apply URL, job URL, description. Okay. Here we go. Here is in the database. Yeah, here we go. Job title. City will be the location. Tailored CV will be the response from the message. Output. Text part A. Brand experience, company must note I can't. Okay, this one is the text, I think. Yeah. Here we go. Tailored CV. After the city will be tailored CV. So how can I find it? So maybe I need to refresh the column list. Okay, take it easy. I deleted this. Control Z, it couldn't be work. Don't worry. Again, job title, apply URL. Let me reset it. I think I need to reset this item. Yeah. Google Sheet. Append an updated document. Choose from the list. Job list. Sheet 1. Here is the connected one. Tailored CV. Okay. That's fine. Database. Company name. No. Job title. Yeah. Location. London. Tailored CV. Which I can find it here. Description. Where is the description? Yeah, here we go. Date posted 4 days ago. Apply URL. Where can I find the apply URL? I can easily search for it. Apply type, apply URL. Here we go. Company name. Where are you? Company name. Here we go. Company URL. Here we go. Work type. Contract type. Full time. Sector would be the work type. The status I will. I can say change it. And that's it. Ready to go. Before that, let me pin this. And now execute the workflow. No problem. Append the column to match on parameters is required. Let me check it. Job title. Okay. Get the database JSON prompt, JSON title, JSON description. What's wrong with the unpin? Okay. So I have to unpin node limit and execute. Yes. Okay. Don't worry. I will sort it out. So before doing that, I need to unpin all of the models. Okay, you can press P for unpin or pin. Now if you press P again, that's it. Okay, So it may take a couple of minutes, like 10 minutes, because it's 49 items. So take a look at the time and execute the workflow. It will be automatically run. Now it's going to extract the data from the Appify here, so I can chase it up in the run section. Yeah, here we go. No results till now. Yeah, 6 results and 0 failed requests. And just imagine, while you are drinking your coffee, it will be automatically done for you. It's amazing, isn't it? So please subscribe my channel, follow my page on Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. so we can connect together and create something beautiful. I stopped this video to finish the process and I will come back to you soon. Just take a look at the time. Okay, we are here again and all of them has been done. It's about less than an hour, 49 item, and you can see it in the job list section. So here is the job sectors, here is my tailored CV. So let's go through one of them in random, like whatever you want. Tell me a number. Tell me a number between 0 and 50. Yeah, it's 50 jobs. So let's go through my number, which is 7. Okay, the 7th one is here. Okay, I want to make it a little bit minimal. Yeah, here we go. It's 3D designer special, B2B, London. 3D designer, B2B boots. Here's my tailored CV. Let's go through it. It's the tailor professional summary. It's the tailor title. It's my key skills. Here is my relevant skills, so I can easily put it in my CV right now. Additional, English fluent. And here is the subjected email that I have to copy and paste in my Gmail address. You can also, let me tell you something cool. You can also tell him to Google. Yeah, you can also connect your Gmail address. I don't want to do that right now, but you can also connect your Gmail address and it will be automatically done for you, like sending an email. But sending an email is a little bit complicated. No, it's not complicated, but it's it needs more attention, and you need to take the full control of your emails. So I don't want to do that. Here is the job URL, so easily I can click it. And here is the profile creative company, which is amazing. 3D designer, special, B2B boots, exhibition, brand environments. And yeah, here we go, company URL, work type, etc. And when I apply it, I can change it to the applied one. Like that, okay? But I don't want to change it right now. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can also do lots of things, not just applying for the jobs. And it's really easy. AI makes our life really comfortable and accelerate the processes, like applying for the jobs, as you can see. And yeah, here we go. You're all set. So if you get in trouble with each of the steps that you can see here, let me tidy it up. Yeah, in each of the steps, just comment below or send a direct message on Instagram. I'm happy to help, and that's it. Great, everyone, happy to help you with this workflow, which is an AI automated workflow. You just need to follow and subscribe my pages in the social media, in LinkedIn, Instagram, and the YouTube. I'm happy to create contents like this using the AI to accelerate the projects, the processes, to boost your creativity, and I hope you the best in your workflows. If you have any kind of workflows that can help me to apply for the jobs, as I'm in the process of applying for the jobs, to get the sponsorship, just let me know. I would be happy. Thanks for your time, attention, and your existence. Take care. I will see you in the next videos.